Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is medium, range is 650 and concept is modifier and logical meaning. Whenever you look at any sentence and that is a little longer or the lot of words are underlined, in that case, just check that what is marker and where should be attacked. Remember, in any question, if you want to save time and if you want shortcut, in that case you should know what is marker, and as per marker you have to decide that what to do. So first of all, is just after comma. It's been what? Something is cultivated, so we have to decide that what is. By the way, approach should be to look at passage, read passage and assume intended meaning. It says a substance derived from Madagascar periwinkle which has proved useful in decreasing mortality among young leukemia patients is cultivated in China as a part of a program to integrate traditional herbal medicine into a contemporary system of health. What is cultivated here? A substance is cultivated. You know, substance cannot be cultivated, but something that should be Madagascar periwinkle, right? So periwinkle can be cultivated in China as a part of a program to integrate traditional herbal medicine, right? So look here in option A, it says a substance is cultivated. So option A out. Another problem in option A is that is called modifier. Remember, whenever there is which, just check that which noun it modifies. So as you know that which modifies its previous noun and that is called Madagascar periwinkle. So periwinkle has proved useful in decreasing mortality. Actually, as per passage, something is found in Madagascar periwinkle that is actually useful decreasing the mortality among young leukemia patients, right? So option A, because of two reasons. One is modifier error and second is incorrect subject. Look at option B, the same problem. A derivative is cultivated. Derivative cannot be cultivated, it should be Madagascar periwinkle. Another problem, modifier, a derivative which has proved useful in decreasing mortality among young leukemia patients of the Madagascar. So this part should not be separated from the anyone. It seems that patients of Madagascar periwinkle, and that is incorrect. Option C, the same modifier error, which has proved means derivative has proved useful in Madagascar periwinkle. At the same time, it says that derivative is cultivated. Why? Because the verb is requires a subject. If you remember, whenever there is verb just after comma, subject will be always before first comma. So in option C, what is that comma? That is called close to derivative. It's been what? Derivative is cultivated. As per passage, as I said, it is Madagascar periwinkle. So option C out. Option D, it says the Madagascar periwinkle has a derivative which has proved useful in decreasing mortality among young leukemia patients that, remember people, if there is no comma before which, it is considered incorrect in formal writing grammar. At the same time, whenever we put comma before that, it is considered incorrect. So option D out. Option E is the best option.